Hello friends, I'm back with my new video. So today we are going to start basic structures and substituent of functional groups and about IUPAC nomenclature. So I hope you stay with me for a few minutes to understand the concept. So let me start first. There are functional group. We can say there are 4 functional groups are there. Just a minute. Yeah. Okay. Chloro, bromo. These are halogen compounds. Okay. And according to 10, there are only 2 halogens are only there. Besides chloro and bromo, we can say that chloro and iodide is also there. So for Cl, we use chloro, and for Br, we used bromo. Okay. Next, we can say these are the functional group. Next, we can say about in which oxygen group is present. You can see here. So first one is alcohol, ROH, in which suffix ol will be used. Okay. Second one is aldehyde, in which suffix al will be used. Third one is ketone. Third one is ketone, in which suffix one will be used. And the last one is carboxylic acid, RCOOH, in which oic acid will be used. These are all suffix. We are familiar with it in the previous video also. And first of all, I want to tell you that what are functional groups. So functional groups are those groups which are responsible for the properties, physical and chemical properties of a compound. For example, you can say I am writing here C, single bond C, H, we are completing the valency. Okay, H, 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 and here also we will take H. If we will replace this one hydrogen with any extra element, then it will be the functional group. The extra element is known as functional group. It can be chloro, bromo, it can be it can be alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, and carboxylic acid. Okay, and you can see in aldehyde and ketone, carbonyl group is similar. Carbonyl group, C double bond group is similar. Okay, let me take you to the next slide. First of all, we can see that let me erase this. Now we will take that the example of each functional group separately and try to make the IUPAC name. Okay. Now let me first we will take C, single bond C, H, 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 and H. You can replace here H from Cl. Okay. Now what is the name? If the functional group Cl is not there, one carbon is there and second one is this, then it will be ethane. But if fluoro group is added, then it will be chloroethane. The name will be chloroethane. You can substitute chloro, fluoro, bromo, iodo in the position of Cl. So you can understand easily now. Next, I can take the example of OH, C, single bond C, OH, H, 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 and H. Here now the functional group is OH. Now the name will be common. If there is no OH, what will be the name? It will be ethane. But in the case of OH, we will write it single bond AN, and we will exclude E. Focus on the point, we will exclude E of ethane and we will write the suffix OL. The name will be ethanol. I hope so that you understand. Suffix OL is used here. Suffix OL is used here. Here. Okay, next we can say that next functional group, about next functional group. Let me take an example of it. I am taking example of each one of this. So it is easy to understand for you according to the board patterns. Now, next one, aldehyde. C, C, H, double bond O. You can complete the valency of C, H, and H. Now, this functional group you see, this is aldehyde. Okay, the end carbon is, you can note it down that end carbon have this functional group aldehyde. The suffix will be Al. Then what will be the name? For 2, we will write it in. Okay, we will exclude E and we will write the suffix that is ethanol. Al. Al will be the suffix. You can see the suffix Al. This will be its name. The name will be ethanol. Double bond is present. Okay, and generally found in the and carbon group. Next one is I am taking it C, single bond C, single bond C, double bond O. Now you can see in the center carbon, there is double bond. Okay, so this is what we can see. This is ketone. This is ketone. And what will be the name? 3 carbons are there. So for 3, we can write prop, single bond N, we can exclude E, and for ketone, we'll write ONE. So the propanone will be the name. Easy, guys. So it is very important to understand the basics of the functional groups. And last one we will take about carboxylic acid. Okay, let me rub it. Carboxylic acid. In which oic acid will be used? Oic acid will be used. For carboxylic acid, I am writing the C, single bond C, single bond C, double bond O, and OH. This functional group is carboxylic acid, and we will write oic acid. Oic acid. What will be the name? 1, 2, and 3. 3, 4 prop. oic acid will exclude E again. So its name is propanoic acid. One more example of substituent or functional group is, I can write it down here. C, single bond C, single bond C, and single bond C. There is one group name as this CS3. This is known as methyl group. This is known as methyl group. And one more functional group is there, C2H5. This is known as ethyl group. From methane, if we'll reduce one hydrogen, then it will be CH3. From ethane, if we'll reduce one hydrogen, then it will be ethyl. Okay, so what will be its name? Any guess? So you can write its name now here. There are carbon 1, 2, 3, and 4. In second position, there is methyl group, then write 2, comma, methyl. 2, comma, methyl. How many carbons are there? 4 carbons are there. So we can write but for 4 and N for single bond. This will be the name of it. Understand? Let me discuss you some rules of IUPAC nomenclature. Now, first rule is we have to choose the longest chain of carbon. The longest chain we have to choose. You can see in this example, if we can take this chain, okay, we can take this chain, which is the longest chain in which most carbon are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can take either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Longest chain will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is the first rule of IUPAC nomenclature, to choose the chain, longest chain. And this also you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, you can choose this either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is coming. So 6 is the great number. 6 are the more carbon chains. So you will choose 6 carbon chain as a longest chain. Example, you can see at the upstairs also that here there are 2 chains are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, or you can choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to take the double bond. You have to take the double bond in the longest chain. Double bond you have to include in the longest chain. This is the rule for IUPAC nomenclature. Here it is wrong because we are not including the double bond. So it is the wrong chain. Here guys. So the next I can discuss with you is about prefix, word root, primary suffix, and secondary suffix. You can see the chain here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is a parent carbon chain. This is known as word root. Okay. Single bond is there. This is primary suffix. Single bond, double bond, primary suffix, and second suffix is the functional group. And what is substituent is CH3. So prefix plus word root plus primary suffix plus second suffix will give the whole formula 5-methyl, because 5 is added with methyl group. Whole carbon chain is of hex, and at the third position double bond is there, that's why ene is there. And second position is the function group OL. Okay, so these are the rules: prefix plus word root plus primary suffix, secondary suffix. Okay, let me take an example of this. 1 2 3 4 5 5 chain pent. Third, we have a double bond, so ene will become, plus first position y will be yn come, because ene is coming first in the alphabet, then y, that's why we are taking ene, and second one is yn, so the name will be pant 3-1 ene. Okay, this will be the rules for IUPAC nomenclature. Next example is this. What will be its name? 1 2 3 4, and one position there is chloro group is there, 1 chloro butane. Its name is this. What is name is of this? A 1 2 3. 3 carbons are there, and bromo butane, bromobutane and chlorobutane. Okay, let me take one more example of this. C, bond C, single bond C, and there will be two Cl group here and here. Then what will be its name? Its name 1, 2 dichloro. Dichloro. How many carbons are there? Propane. 3 carbons are there, so we'll write propane. Okay. Next and last example is the typical one. So you can count the longest chain: 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3. So we can count like this: 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so what will be the name? 2, because the position, we can say, sorry, by mistake I have given a wrong numbering, so again I am giving the numbering. From here we will take the numbering: 1 2 3 4 and 5 carbons are there, so 2 position. Okay, okay, I have made one more mistake here, sorry. I have not taken this carbon, first carbon, so I have escaped it. So this is first, second one is this, third one is this, fourth one is this, fifth one is this, and sixth one is this. So the name will be 2 dimethyl, because 2 substituents are there, 2 dimethyl, and 5, fifth position, one more methyl is there, 5 methyl hexane. This will be its name. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe my video, and I will back with the next video very soon. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.